Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make African salad, aka Abacha. This delicacy is well known by the Igbos in the eastern part of Nigeria. It's so delicious and yummy. To begin with, let me introduce you to the ingredient that you'll be needing for this meal. We'll have our onions, our seasoning cube, our nutmeg, African calabash. We have our ugba. I have my rainbow pepper. I have my crayfish. I have my red oil. I have crayfish. I have potash. This is local potash. I also have the garlic egg and also the cassava flask itself that I'll be using for this delicacy. I also have cow skin, that is known as kpomo. Yes, if this ingredient, then the first thing you'll be doing is to dissolve the potash. This potash is made from the palm stick. Burnt palm stick is very natural and is very good for this abacha you want to make. Set it aside, then add hot water to your abacha. To do this, add hot water to allow it to soften and also to remove the dent inside, dirty inside, and sand also is very, very important. Then let me make the sauce. In this pan you add your red oil, then you'll be going in with your onion. The onion is very, very important. This will settle and also give more flavor to your meal. If you're a kind of person who doesn't like fresh onions taste after eating food, then do this. You add your ugba to warm it up. Add your ugba, then add the seasoning cube, stir together just like for a minute. It's okay for the don't fry for too long, just to get it heat up. So but it's not good to just eat something you bought from market without not cooking it. You don't know the process is passed through. Then I set that aside, then I add my momo and my pepper mix and a little bit of that owa, and then added my fish just to season it, just to make it very and look very yummy. Then added a little bit of onion, then stir together. Then this is ready. It's set aside into a bowl. Adding some red oil, stir together. Then go in with the sieved potash that I showed you earlier. I've already sieved it. This will thicken it and also give it another taste on its own. And you can see how it has started changing. It's thicken. The more you add it, the more it's thicken. It's very, very important to use this potash instead of using the normal one, Then I go in with my African calabash, that is ehuru. This add more flavor. For this is the flavor you need. I added ogre, I fermented locust beans, although castor seed. After adding this, stir them together. Then I go in with my pepper, blended pepper. Then I stir it together. Add a little bit of pinch of salt. Stir it together. When you turn this, you should know, depending on the quantity you're using, I added some seasoning cube. Then I added some crayfish. These are the key ingredients you need for this delicacy. Then I stir together. The next I'm adding is my chopped pomo, that is cow skin. I chop it into tiny. Add it, then you'll be going in with the ugba that I stir fried earlier. Added some, then stir together. By this time, the aroma is everywhere in your kitchen. With this kind of sauce, you can use it for your cow head, cow tail, goat head, anything. Then I added my garden egg. I chopped it into tiny pieces. I added more crayfish, then a bit of salt, then I stir together. You can have this like this. It's very, very nutritious without not even adding the abacha. The next time we're going in with my abacha. All these things depend on the quantity of abacha you're using. I'm not making much abacha, so this size is very okay for me to make. Then I go in with the rest of the abacha, then I stir very well to mix it thoroughly. By now you can see my abacha is already ready. It's ready. It's super ready, and this abacha tasted so nice, so nice. Then what I'll be doing next is to dish my abacha. Then I will go on by adding more spicy and more veggies on my fish, and also some garden egg and onion. This will help you enjoy your abacha. This abacha tastes so good. I just hope and I know that you'll be trying to add more garden egg, more onion, garden eggs. This tastes so nice. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this abacha that I just showed you now. It's a very easy way you can make your abacha in just 5 minutes. This came out so yummy. I enjoyed it. My friends, my kids, they enjoyed the abacha so much because it tasted so good, and it was made with love and kindness. Thanks for watching. Bye.